Happy Thanksgiving from the Tomosics. Today is the Thanksgiving feast. Olive oil bread dip, creamy spinach and artichoke dip, brownies with white chocolate chips, apple crisp, the compound butter for the farm bird, creamy corn casserole, butternut squash smash, sausage dressing with sage, good old mashed potatoes, a shallot gravy, a spatchcock farm bird, and a farm bird plate, and the feast, and my plate. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed your holiday. Have fun.